Properly installed insulation can save you a lot of money on your utility costs, and I'm going to tell you how next. One of the questions I always get is I have really high utility bills, how can I lower them? And the first question I always ask is your basement insulated? Here we're over in a new construction basement that just is getting done, showing you how they did their insulation. This is the rim and band joist. Many houses don't have insulation in these areas. Anything works for it. You can get it at any hardware store. Different bats, you can net them, you can spray foam them. A lot of different options here, and it's very cost effective. Many people forget about their basement when they're talking about insulation. They think the ground's going to be warm enough, and it's really not. We have to insulate our basement walls. Here's one example of how these guys do it. It's 24-inch on center, so they're using some of those advanced framing techniques. And then they have an R15 bat in here, and it's also polyed over the top. People always ask, is there a point or is there too much insulation you can do? There is never enough insulation. This can save you a lot of money, and it has a very fast payback when you insulate your basement.